Hey guys, this is Garrett with SRT SCARLETTE, and today we're going to go over how to install an AAD drag pack in your Charger, Challenger, or Magnum. Let's get after it.
So I got a package here from AAD Performance. Let's open it up, check it out, see what's in here. This is going to be the key to our suspension components right here. Yes, it is. There's one part. If you know AAD, you've probably heard of their drag pack. And I will say, this made a world of a difference on my Hellcat, and I know it's going to make a world of a difference on this car. We swapped out the rear end on this, the stock 05 Magnum rear end with a Gen 3 Hemi rear end, so what you'll find in the new Scat Pack specifically, because it's got the 309 differential. I mean, I guess you'll find it in the Demon as well, but there you go. There's the specs on the rear end if you want to know, with soon to be AAD drag pack. I'm just excited to get to the bottom box. The bottom box is my favorite. Get rid of all the foam. And there it is. See all of it in its beauty. Not all of it, but a good majority of it. I am jacking the car up, trying to get the jack stand underneath it for adjustable arms so we can get better traction.
Now we're going to lower it down on the jack stand. There we go.
Now we're gonna pop this wheel off. We have 2 lug nuts on here, so let's get them off.
I see. He does not want to wait.
Yeah, we got 4 weeks to get this done.
For those of you who don't know, I've been selected to compete in the 2025 Direct Connection Grudge Match. To make a long story short, Dodge sent us all a motor and transmission, and we've got 9 weeks to build a functional race car. So we'll be headed up to Detroit for Roadkill Nights on August 9th. Buy your tickets now, and I'll see you guys there.
So you need your 18mm socket, 18mm open face to back it up on the back side. We can go ahead and bust this bad boy loose. The drill has had enough. Alrighty, let's try this one more time. Alright, so you gotta hit it from the nut side on this one because it's got a little keeper that keeps it from spinning on the bolt side. Now we can hit it. So arms out. See about getting a new one in, huh? The open face and this one. Alright, now we can go ahead and tighten this. Not all the way down, but just enough. That's just enough. Hold on. There you go. Alright, so our tow arm is on. Maybe. Nice. Snug. More than just snug, it's pretty damn tight, but you don't have to cinch the shit out of it or anything. That is good. And tow arm is done. Now let's get the trailing arm and the other arm on there. Next, the tow arm. You're gonna need to get under here and get this bolt. You'll see it. Should be fairly easy. For these two, you shouldn't have to drop the cradle on the passenger side. The driver's side, however, I recommend dropping the cradle before starting any of it because almost every arm over there needs the cradle drops. And be careful because some of these could be under some tension, so whenever you go to pop it, make sure your arm is not in the way of any potentially moving parts. Next, we gotta drop the cradle. Go ahead and hit it with this 18 again on these two cradle bolts. We're just gonna drop this side. We're gonna leave the other side as it sits. technology. Got these 2 bolts out here. Go ahead and pop this battery out. Put the new one in. Shorter bolt is for back home. Don't have a wheel speed sensor hooked up yet. It came off just like that, right? Yep. Where was it? Like that. This is where my plan goes to shit.
I think we're done.
We are not cinching the tires down right now because they're going to come off a dozen times before this car ever even fires. So just putting 2 lug nuts on the whole. I'm nasty and sweaty, but we got the job done. And that's how to install the AAD drag pack on your Charger, Challenger, Magnum, or whatever Gen 3 Hemi you've got. Ready for Roadkill Nights? We have got 4 weeks left until we are on the road to Detroit and getting ready to compete against some of the top content creators in the country. So I'm excited for that. We're gonna have a good time and we're gonna take advantage of it as best we can. Car isn't running yet, still don't have our ECU. We'll get there when we get there. It's supposed to be coming in within the next week or 2. But until then, we're gonna keep working on the little stuff. So don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Ready for me to send it? She's doing the smile. I know that means start. I gotta poop.
What are you doing?
Hanging out. What are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to install your AAD drag pack in your SRT Scarlette, and this is how to install your AAD. Hey guys, this is Garrett. Hey guys, this is Garrett with SRT Scarlette, and this is how to install your. And this is how to install your AAD drag on your chart.
Baby, no, we can't stop a car.
My wife decided to freak out because the jack shifted on the jack stands, as expected. Everything was just fine. Here we are.
Hey Garrett.
Hi, Garrett! I like that one. That was a good one. Okay.
Let's get after it.